Hey, Mr. Coates, it's Austin at Hunt Ford in Franklin, Kentucky. I just wanted to take a quick minute and show you this truck that you were looking at coming in tomorrow and taking a peek at, man. It's a beautiful bright red color. The truck's in really good shape. It's got the aftermarket fender flares on it, obviously the aftermarket wheel and tires. The front clip looks really good. Did not see any kind of paint chips or anything like that, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk down this truck and kind of just let you take a look at it. The interior was in good shape. You had asked about if there was any kind of dirt or anything pounded into the carpet. I didn't see any, but I'll take a look on the inside there and let you see for yourself. It's got some really good curb appeal. Had a lot of compliments on it. Four-wheel drive, obviously. It's really well maintained. Let's take a look inside here. If I can get the door open. This is aftermarket leather here. This is that cat skin leather. It's really high quality aftermarket leather. Whenever we go put aftermarket leather in one, this is the brand that we use. It does have the all-weather floor mats. You can see under there. It's in really good shape. Now that's the passenger seat. In the back here, it looks like it's never even been sat in. But now I'll go show you what the driver's side looks like. You can see a little bit more wear on that one. No, you saw that from the photos, which is right there. But the majority of the seat looks like it's in really good shape. And then down here, oh, camera's being wonky. You can see it's in good shape. So I hope this video got you all the insight you needed. We're at 625 Garvin Lane in Franklin, Kentucky. Thanks for your time and hope you liked the video. Have a great day.